Located in Cobb County, Georgia, Ruff's Mill and Concord Covered Bridge are historic sites that offer a glimpse into the region's past. These two sites are located adjacent to each other and make for a fantastic day trip for history buffs and outdoor enthusiasts. Ruff's Mill was once a thriving industrial site with a cotton mill and gunpowder factory operating in the area during the 1800s. Today, the site is home to a historic park that features walking trails, picnic areas, and plenty of opportunities for nature observation. Concord Covered Bridge, located adjacent to Ruff's Mill, is a historic wooden covered bridge that dates back to the mid-1800s. This bridge is a vital transportation route for local residents and visitors, including soldiers during the Civil War. Today, the bridge is open for visitors to explore and provides a picturesque backdrop for photos. Together, Ruff's Mill and Concord Covered Bridge offer a unique look into the region's past. Visitors can take a self-guided tour of the park and bridge, exploring the historic structures and learning about the region's industrial transportation history. The walking trails within the park provide an opportunity to get some exercise while enjoying the natural beauty of the area. Overall, Ruff's Mill and Concord Covered Bridge are fantastic destinations for anyone interested in history or outdoor recreation. Whether you're a local or visitor to Cobb County, don't miss the chance to explore these unique and historic sites. If you're interested in living in Cobb County, give us a call today at 470-990-4414 and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube.